Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. You want to see how your investments are really performing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to analyze investment performance over time on Empower. Now, the first step is of course to go to the performance view. So from your Empower dashboard, you're going to click investing and then go to performance. Now choose time frame. So just select a period. It could be 1 month, 3 months, a year, or a custom time frame to change to see the changes in value. Now the next step of course is to view the graph. So you're going to check the performance chart to track gains or losses over your chosen time frame. Next step is to compare against benchmarks. Now, Empower automatically compares your portfolio performance to major market indexes like the S&P 500 and so on, so you can see exactly how you're doing. The final step, of course, is to spot trends. You want to look for patterns or periods of strong or weak performances and then just adjust your strategy if needed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.